coming in. BJP's Amit Malviya has quoted Sajid Rashidi, who is the president of the All India Imam Association. In this video, Maulana Sajid Rashidi has come out and has said that he has voted for the BJP. Listen in.
मैंने वोट कर दिया है दिल्ली में किसकी सरकार बने इसके लिए, और मैंने ये वोट किसको किया है आपको सुनकर बड़ा आश्चर्य होगा। मैंने ये वोट भारतीय जनता पार्टी को किया है। जिंदगी में पहली बार मैंने भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोट किया है। क्यों किया है, इसके पीछे बहुत सारे रीजन हैं। अब तक मुसलमानों पर एक एलिगेशन ये लगता रहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराने के लिए मुसलमान वोट करता है, लेकिन ये मैंने वोट इसलिए किया आज बीजेपी को कि दिल्ली के अंदर बीजेपी जीते।
Now, like we've been telling you viewers, it's the BJP which is citing this video of Maulana Sajid Rashidi to go on to say that this is a stamp on the Prime Minister's vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. BJP's Amit Malviya says, and I quote, Sajid Rashidi of the All India Imam Association says that he voted for the BJP in the Delhi Assembly election. This is not an isolated instance, and the so-called quote-unquote secular parties, as per Amit Malviya, should be worried if Muslims also start supporting the BJP in a big way. So this comment of Maulana Sajid Rashidi has armed the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is upbeat already after the projections of the exit polls and the numbers given in the poll of polls. Let me go across to Tejshri, who's joining us. Tejshri, right now it is the Bharatiya Janata Party which is confident, it seems to be upbeat at this point of time. The Aam Aadmi Party on its part is rejecting the exit polls. But what becomes important is the Muslim vote in Delhi. Take us through the trends as they are now coming in, because right now it is the BJP which is citing this video of Sajid Rashidi, who has gone on to say that he's voted for the BJP and he's voted for development. How is the Aam Aadmi Party responding to this?
Well, you see, that's a very interesting development that we are picking up right now as far as the reaction of Maulana Sajid Rashidi is concerned, because he is openly supporting the BJP, and not just that, because he is openly coming out and saying that he has supported the BJP for his own reasons, and in fact that is why BJP is calling themselves as a secular party. And in fact there were several allegations on BJP leveled up by Aam Aadmi Party, saying that BJP is in fact playing the politics of religion, communal politics, and that Aam Aadmi Party is doing kaam ki rajniti, BJP is doing vote ki rajniti. Such kind of phrases and statements we were hearing at the time of campaigning. But as far as Aam Aadmi Party statements are concerned, they are saying that wait till 8th of February the results will be clear, because they feel that the exit polls that have come out yesterday evening, they feel that these exit polls are not the exact polls, and in fact they have been citing the previous examples that, like in the past 3 Delhi Assembly elections, the data of exit polls was not similar to the kind of results that the Delhi Assembly elections had witnessed. Yes. So that is why they are pretty much confident as of now. On the other hand, BJP is also confident. They are saying that each and every segment of the voters that Aam Aadmi Party tried to woo, Aam Aadmi Party tried to lure the voters by providing them schemes, making announcement on a daily basis, say it be Pujari, say it be Maulana, say it be the students.
Stay with us, because we have Congress's Udit Raj joining us. Good morning, Mr. Udit Raj. Now the Bharatiya Janata Party is upbeat after the exit poll projections. They are also citing the video of Maulana Sajid Rashidi. I don't know if you've heard it, because Maulana Sajid Rashidi of the All India Imam Association says that he voted for the BJP in the Delhi Assembly elections. Now the BJP goes on to say that if this has happened, and this goes on to show that even the Muslim community is now voting for the BJP, it is not sounding very good for secular parties. What's your take, Mr. Udit Raj?
Not question of problem of secular party or voting to secular party or communal party. Individuals are there. So Sajid Maulana is not has not been authorized by Muslim that on their behalf he can say that Muslims have voted. Individuals always differ. See that not all Dalits vote for Congress, not all upper caste vote for BJP. Similarly, there are individuals from various sections. They vote as per their choices. But what happened at the end of the day is
Right.
majority take is important.
Okay.
So majority Muslims do not vote to BJP because
So-
BJP doesn't give them ticket,
Okay.
and of course their politics is based
Okay.
on hatred of Muslims.
So, Mr.
So
Udit Raj, if we
individual-
look at the projections of the exit polls, which I'm sure even you are tracking, if we just go by the numbers given by the poll of polls, it goes on to show there is only a tight fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party and no community. Forget the, forget the communities you are talking about, not the minority vote, neither is the majority vote consolidating behind the Congress Party.
See, Congress party, I know the position, but of course, main fight is between BJP, Aam Aadmi Party. Let us accept the reality. But
Okay.
at the same time, that exit polls are not always correct. Many times they are manipulated, they are incorrect. Let's see what happens in just a couple of days are left to see the result.
So you're going to accept if these numbers echo on the 8th, you're going to accept it, and you will also say that yes, then there is a Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas message that is also working in the capital, because if we go by the numbers, it's going to be historic for the BJP.
No, individual, that's why I said to you that it's not that a few Muslims, they vote for BJP, that BJP is no longer communal, or community itself is for BJP. That's not true at all.
Okay.
That similarly, I said that Brahmins also vote to BJP, because BSP, and BSP people also
We can
vote.
dissect and analyze the numbers, Mr. Udit Raj, but the final headline for the Congress Party is nobody is voting for the Congress Party if we just go by the projections. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. But, okay, we have Maulana Sajid Rashidi. That video has gone... that video is being quoted by the Bharatiya Janata Party. We will listen to that comment as well, which the BJP is now quoting, and there is also a fresh reaction coming in now. What did he mean? And like the Congress says, it's an individual opinion. It doesn't represent the entire voice of the Muslim community when it comes to the national capital. But what's going to happen on the 8th? Before we play out the fresh reaction of Maulana Sajid Rashidi, let's once again play out the video that is now...